McDonald's. Welcome to Safi Al-Akal channel today. We have the strangest facts about the largest group of restaurants in the world, which are McDonald's. We hope you like it, but a video and subscribe to the channel in order to have more fun and facts. One McDonald's restaurant is the second largest fast food chain in the world in terms of branches after the Subway chain, and there are more than 37,000 branches in 119 countries around the world. And this number increases with time. 2. The number of employees in McDonald's reaches 1,900,000 employees. And this indicates that McDonald's is one of the largest companies that employ workers continuously, because a small number of employees who continue to work. 3. Since McDonald's is the second largest fast food chain in the world after Subway, McDonald's outperforms Subway's earnings twice as much as McDonald's annually exceeds $21 billion. 4. The number of people visiting McDonald's 68 million people per day. McDonald's serves nearly 1% of the world's population, and the report is a sign that in McDonald's more than 75 sandwiches are sold per second. 5. In Canada, McDonald's provides daily 86,000 kilograms of meat in consumption in America and Canada only, unlike the rest of the world. 6. 96% of school children can distinguish Ronald's character more than any other cartoon character after Santa Claus. 15% of children plead with their parents to go to McDonald's on a daily basis. 7. Since McDonald's is one of the largest restaurant chain in the world, it is also one of the world's largest game distributors and desires are Happy Meal meals. McDonald's teamed up with the largest game store to provide different versions of toys with every kid's meal. 15% of McDonald's sales of children's meals. The McDonald's 8 restaurant menu had only 9 options, and this was in 1955. And at the moment the options have reached 171 items. 9. Did you know that people were entering McDonald's to eat pizza in the 1880s? A number of branches in Canada and the United States of America introduced pizza on the menu under the name McPizza, but the pizza disappeared from the menu without reasons, and often the reason was the poor level of pizza, and after 20 years the pizza was usually back on the list, but in only 2 branches within the United States. 10. Did you know that McDonald's has a private university for training new recruits in McDonald's, and the founder of the university is the owner of the McDonald's chain of restaurants that oversees the training?
If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.